Regular verbs. These are the most common verbs. They are the one that forms its simple past and past participle tense by adding ed, or, d to its base form. Let's have a look at these most common regular verbs. Accept, accepted. Achieve, achieved. Add, added. Admire, admired. Adopt, adopted. Advise, advised. Agree, agreed. Allow, allowed. Announce, announced. Appreciate, appreciated. Approve, approved. Arrive, arrived. Ask, asked. Assist, assisted. Bake, baked. Beg, begged. Behave, behaved. Boil, boiled. Brush, brushed. Call, called. Challenge, challenged. Change, changed. Cheat, cheated. Cheer, cheered. Clap, clapped. Clean, cleaned. Collect, collected. Compare, compared. Construct, constructed. Copy, copied. Count, counted. Create, created. Cry, cried. Damage, damaged. Deliver, delivered. Destroy, destroyed. Divide, divided. Drag, dragged. Earn, earned. Encourage, encouraged. Enjoy, enjoyed. Establish, established. Estimate, estimated. Exercise, exercised. Expand, expanded. Explain, explained. Greet, greeted. Guess, guessed. Hate, hated. Help, helped. Hope, hoped. Identify, identified. Interrupt, interrupted. Introduce, introduced. Irritate, irritated. Jump, jumped. Kill, killed. Kiss, kissed. Laugh, laughed. Like, liked. Listen, listened. Marry, married. Measure, measured. Move, moved. Need, needed. Obey, obeyed. Offend, offended. Offer, offered. Open, opened. Paint, painted. Pick, picked. Play, played. Pray, prayed. Print, printed. Pull, pulled. Punch, punched. Punish, punished. Purchase, purchased. Push, pushed. Question, questioned. Relax, relaxed. Remember, remembered. Reply, replied. return, returned, scold, scolded, select, selected, smoke, smoked, stare, stared, start, started, study, studied, talk, talked, thank, thanked, travel, traveled, trouble, troubled, type, typed, use, used, visit, visited, wait, waited, walk, walked, want, wanted, warn, warned, worry, worried, yell, yelled,